Let's get you the latest of the political fight over the Munger firing. Remember, one person died in firing during the idle immersion in Munger in Bihar. The Shiv Sena has now entered the political fray over this, asking if such an incident were to happen in Maharashtra, West Bengal, Rajasthan or in any non-BJP ruled state, governors and BJP leaders would have demanded president's rule. The Shiv Sena has gone on to ask, why is the Bihar governor and BJP leaders not raising questions on this incident?
ये मानता हूँ कि हिंदुत्व के ऊपर हमला है। इस प्रकार से अगर दुर्गा माता के जुलूस पर हमला महाराष्ट्र में या पश्चिम बंगाल में होता तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है वहाँ के राज्यपाल और वहाँ के सभी बीजेपी के हमारे जो पॉलिटिकल जो नेता है, राजकीय नेता है, वो सभी ने सबसे पहले वो मांग करते थे कि वहाँ राष्ट्रपति शासन लगाओ, सरकार को बर्खास्त करो और ये सरकार हिंदुत्व विरोधी है। तो अगर मुंगेर में इस प्रकार से हमला होता है जहाँ बीजेपी की भी सरकार है तो क्या हिंदुत्व का विरोध नहीं है? ये हिंदुत्व के ऊपर हमला है, मैं मानता हूँ। लेकिन अब तक न राज्यपाल ने उस बारे में सवाल उठाया है और ना वहाँ की बीजेपी ने सवाल उठाया है।
Saurabh Akania is joining us live with more details on this. Saurabh, we've seen a lot of politics already over the Munger firing. Interesting that the Shiv Sena is also raising questions now because the Shiv Sena has been facing a barrage of similar attacks from the BJP in Maharashtra.
Well, absolutely. The incident which has taken few days back, and now it has been heated up politically because yesterday we saw how leaders from Bihar actually claimed that the policemen are like a General Dyer. Now, not just Sanjay Raut has given a statement, but a whole editorial in today's Samna has been written on the Munger firing incident. Now, they say that the BJP are the fake Hindutva people. Therefore, they are not raising any question on the Munger firing incident. The editorial also says that they are not raising question against women who are getting raped in UP, how the incident has taken place in Haryana and elsewhere. But if this particular Munger type incident would have taken place in Maharashtra, West Bengal or Rajasthan, by now the BJP leaders and the fake Hindutva people would have gone to the governor house and made a huge cry over it and also demanded the president rule. So the editorial and the Shiv Sena leaders are asking that why the BJP leaders are silent on the Munger incident.
Right.
Now we have to wait and watch what the BJP leaders reply on this because the whole incident have now politically heated up.
All right, Saurabh, thank you for those inputs. We'll be tracking closely the reaction that comes in from the BJP to this attack from the Shiv Sena.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.